Good morning, student. Myself Keir Singh from Jyotri Academy. Today we'll discuss class 12 subject BST chapter 4 planning. Here we will discuss about the plan. What is plan? Basically, it is a specific action proposed to help organization achieve the objective. Basically, it is a type of action those have been helpful for the achievement of the goal or the objective and fulfill the profits those have been generated with the better coordination and the mutual understanding. Thereafter, single use plan are one time use plan. It is used only a one time plan, so they are designed to achieve a particular goal. It will be helpful for the achievement of goal that once achieved will not reoccur in future. So this will be helpful for only when that if it will be achieved one time, thereafter it will be not useful for the again in the future. Thereafter, features of this. Basically they have been different types of features, so here we will see one by one. It will be basically it prepared to meet the demand of specific situations. Basically it will be changed according to the demand of the specific situation they have been planning will be occurred. These are discarded when the situation is over. When the situation will be completed and when goal will be achieved, thereafter this is waste, or this is not useful. Thereafter, every time a new plan is prepared for new situation, every time new plan and new strategy must be required to achieve the goal. To achieve different type, if the situation have been changing, the plan also have been changing, and if the plan will not change according to situation, thereafter it is not useful. For example, budget, program, project, so they have been different types of things. Types of plan. Basically, planning is a pervasive function, so which means it is not the task of the top level. Basically, it is not a type of task of the top level. It is a pervasive function. It is a compulsory function. It will be very important for achievement of goal. So manager only but manager working at different level perform functions. Manager, they have been performing different types of functions. They have been required the objective, strategy, policies, and their procedure, rules, program, methods, and budgets. So they have been different types of things those have been required, and that have been very important for the achievement of the objective. So objective, basically, the if any person want to be achieve objectives, thereafter they must be a smart. S for specific activity, M for measurable, A for achievable, R for relevant, and T for time bound. If one person have been those person want to be take objective, so they must be more and more specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. Okay, thank you very much.